wanting to transform your outdoor space? Well, you might need to start with some speakers. They'll allow you to play some music and just lighten the mood outside. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is one of our speakers. This one specifically is our 5¼ inch recessed mounted speaker. The product code is RP-1724. So this speaker is super easy to install. The hardest part of your installation process would be figuring out the hole that you need and routing it out in the side of your trailer, but we do have the cutout size on our dimensionals, which I will go ahead and throw on the screen right now. So this speaker is a recess mounted speaker, like I said previously. So when you mount it to the side of your rig, it will sit flush up against it, creating a sleek look. This also comes in this nice black color, so it will pretty much match any design on your RV, but it is accented with this really nice blue, and the dome inside has a chrome color to it as well, so it just makes it pop a little bit more. So this speaker has a full range sound design, so if you're wanting more bass tones or more treble clef tones, then this speaker will give you that, and it pairs nicely with one of our stereos that we carry here as well. It has a max power of 35 watts and an impedance of 4 ohms. This speaker is made out of a tough, durable plastic material, and that lends itself to being UV resistant. So it's perfect for the outside, and with the sun shining on it, it won't crack or degrade the plastic material that is being used. And on top of that, it is waterproof, so if it does happen to rain, you won't have to worry about your speaker getting ruined by the weather, because it is waterproof and it has a built-in drip edge, so the water will just run right off of it. If you guys are interested in this product, please check out the link down in the description, and while you're there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.